Hey there! Want to learn how to take notes in Notion quickly and efficiently? Let me show you how in under 2 minutes. First, create a new page, click the plus button, and name it something descriptive like meeting notes or study notes, so you can find it later. Next, use headings to organize your notes. Just type /heading and pick a style. This keeps your notes structured and easy to scan. For key points, use bullet lists. Type and choose bulleted list. It's perfect for jotting down ideas or action items. Need visuals? Drag and drop images, PDFs, or files directly into your notes. Notion makes it seamless to add multimedia. For tasks, use checkboxes. Type and pick to-do list. It's great for tracking what you need to do next. Short on time? Use Notion's built-in templates. Open the templates menu and pick one that fits your needs. And that's it. You now know how to take notes in Notion quickly and effectively. Try it out and see how much easier organizing your thoughts can be. Thanks for watching. Like this video? Subscribe for more productivity tips.